wanted to go over your Canvas page with you and specifically how to get into Myitlab. When you all log in, and I have this in instructor view because once I go to student view, it will stop me from being able to get into Myitlab. But I'd like to show you that once you are here, you'll be in the home page. You're going to go ahead and click on this Mylab and Mastering all the way to the left of your pane of information, PANE. That's a common term that's used when we're discussing Microsoft products as well. So you might hear that in another course, like a Word course or specifically in a PowerPoint course. And you'll see where you can sign up here. So you're going to go ahead and click on that sign up and go ahead and go through the signing up for that. Once you go ahead and sign up, and I've got the document for signing up in the announcements. I've posted out in week 1 what to expect this week. I hope it's been clear. You will come in here. And it should look like this for you when you log in. Okay, from here, you'll see all 12 chapters. You'll also see the introductory badge option here at the bottom. And I've also got the comprehensive badge. These are given with the textbook. If you pass both of them, and I've written a little bit more about them in the assignments and the modules when you get to that point in week 4 and week 12. But these are in addition to getting the certification for this course with Microsoft. So you could potentially leave this class with 2 Pearson badges, an introductory, a comprehensive badge, and the Microsoft Office certification for Excel. But let's talk about week 1 here. If I go ahead and click on week 1, you'll see that you'll come into week 1 and you'll have the comprehensive text option, which is a link to the e-text. You'll have simulation training. Simulation training is when it looks like a simulated desktop. You click on it and you'll have to allow pop-up blockers for that to pop up on your screen. You'll get some step-by-step on how to do that if you have issues with that on your screen. And you'll be able to complete the simulation training there. It'll ask you questions on how to do something, and you'll get the opportunity to complete that task based on the description of what you need to complete. On your screen, you'll get that right, you'll move on. You just need to get 70% and I give you full credit. And that's true of all your homework assignments. Simulation exam is similar to training. The only difference is that you don't get hints, you don't get to do over, you don't get to save it for later. It's sort of just you prepping you for that. All simulation exams for this class, I think almost all the chapters, I have them as extra credit. So you're welcome to complete them to get extra credit to see how you do. And let's say you get 20% out of 100, I'll give you 2 points of extra credit out of 10. These are your grader projects. And these are when you click on one of these, and I'm going to click on this mid-level grader project. You'll get an opportunity to see some of these options. You'll get download materials, work on your computer, upload assignments, submit assignments. So these are the 4 different steps. First thing is downloading materials. You'll need to download these materials, and I would really suggest you doing this only after you have tried a simulation exam to prepare you for what to expect, and also watching the lecture. I'm actually going to post a video of myself doing the first grader project of each chapter, so you can kind of get an idea on how to complete the assignments. You're going to go ahead and click download files. When you download these files, it's going to download into a zip folder. That zip folder, you're going to have to be able to extract those documents. If you need help with that, I'm here to help you. But I hope that you've got downloading files because a prereq for this course, recommended prereq for this course is COSA 1. And in COSA 1, I hope you would have learned that. You're going to need an instructions file here, and you'll get the Excel file, and you'll also have this image file that you might download as well. And I think this is the final result. This just tells you what it should look like. Really, you'll need the instructions, you'll need the Excel file, and you'll work with both of them side by side. And I print the instruction file out for myself because it's easier. And if we were on campus, I would do that for you as well. But unfortunately, we're not, so I can't. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and close that. And they're both the same. This is a different project, but they're both structured the same way. This last one is known as your key terms quiz. Either you have a key terms quiz or you'll have a chapter quiz. And week 1, I have a key terms quiz because I think it's really important for you to know the key terms. Some of my starter videos in this week explain a lot of that stuff, as well as in the text if you want to follow through. Now, you just click on the quiz. And then you'll go ahead and click from the drop down the correct answer and move forward. And that's it. All homework assignments are 10 points. I don't give you 20 points, 35 points. No, everything is 10 points, 10 points. So you'll see that in the syllabus. And I hope this was helpful. What I do is once you've submitted the assignments that Sunday, every Sunday of that week, they're due the following Sunday, I'll extract the scores and put them into the gradebook in Canvas. Hope this was helpful. You know, I hope this was helpful. Good luck and reach out to me if you need anything.